Right, so pillow here, pillow on his head, legs out. Now we need to lift his head so we can see his head. That means I need to put a little pillow in there, but because I don't like pillows so big, I use just tiny bit of this. So I just need to prop him there. He's streaming. So his head doesn't flop towards us. So I'm hiding that for him there. I want just a little bit more of his leg. Love it. Beautiful. And I need to rotate his body that way a little bit, so I don't see as much of this bulky stuff. We don't want to see the we are not interested in his bottom. Cool. I may lift him a bit more. Yes, that's better. Yes. So you need to learn how to position him until you see less of this and more of that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now he's in the right position. Now we sort the light. Remember how I told you? Light straight in line with him. And look for the light to fall from the head, nose down. Then you come again from this angle. And we take a shot, but I'm rotating a little bit my camera. Now, if you look at my, can you see those lines, the grid? So when I rotate, I put my one of the grids in the eyes, on the eye, and I rotate my angle in such a way that he's still straight, because if I shoot from here, he will be a little bit more like that, but I want to rotate so his head above his legs. Okay. Okay. Okay, we rotate him. And come here. We push him. He's having a little bit of reflex. He's pushing. He's reflex, mommy. He's reflex. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.